Hello. So, for lessons 4, 5, and 6, here are some of the key things that I would like you to know. First off, a dot plot. Each of these dots in this top graph represents a point. In this case, it represents a rating that someone gave, of course, snakes, depending on a 0 from 10 for how much they enjoy or like snakes. This is very nice when we want to see those specifics of exactly how many people chose what number exactly. Now, we can also use these to get histograms. Histograms look at the ranges. So you can see the bin widths from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 3 to 4, and so forth. They allow us to take all the dots that are within that range of numbers and put them into one. So I cannot see specifically what people rated, but I can see a range. Another thing I want to look at is box plots. So a box plot is made up of 5 statistics. We've got the quarters into the each sections. They are split into quartiles. So you can see the minimum, maximum, those are those first and last terms. The median is the middle number of the data. Q1 is actually the median of the lower half of the data, and Q3 is the median of the upper half of the data. We use these to split it up and to show each section is 25% of the data, hence why it's also called a quartile. This allows us to kind of see where most of the central data is with that box, as well as where's those kind of outsiders going. The last thing I would like to sum up is shapes of data. Now, a lot of the times, these are going to be how we're going to describe the shape of data. We tend to do this in a histogram or dot plot. If something is skewed, it means that a lot of the data is kind of pushed far to the left or right. It's very well squished, not really centralized. Uniform, thinking like a uniform that you might wear to a job or something where everything is exactly the same, you'll find that they are evenly distributed all at the same length. Symmetric means that you can draw a line of symmetry down the middle of this, or you'd be able to fold this in half and have it be the same on either side. Bimodal, that word, the prefix bi means 2, so we're going to have 2 peaks in this sense. As you can see, all these ones highlighted, each of them have 2 high points. Bell-shaped is going to be this general kind of curve look to them, maybe like a pyramid as some people describe. They're going to be very well bell-shaped like that. If I were to draw a thing over it, a line over them, we're going to see that it looks kind of like a bell. So with each of these, we just want to be able to kind of read what those dot plots, histograms, and box plots are saying, being able to pull information from them and pull some key ideas. We're going to continue to work on building some of these as we continue to go on, and then just looking at the shape of some data and how we can describe that.